I will talk about how can you disable app notifications on your Costco app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click your account down here, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, so you keep going down here. Then you just click here on app settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come here to app notifications here, just click in this sign or this color like you see. So then you click here on turn off in settings here, or just here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. You come to show notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,